in the jeepney. Take a look, so many people inside. So many people.
Saka pumunta ako nagpulo sa linggo, babalik ko yan.
Central view Apartelli. You see promo now. Promo, how much? For short time, 3 hours, it's 400 peso. 12 hour, 1,200. Deluxe room, 500 peso. That's short time, for short time. Family rooms. So this is upper. This side of the Red Walking Street always silent, empty. Only about 9 p.m. people sit here, and live band also there. But usually it's now very few people. I will last check how much cake. Yes, it's okay price for cake. Same in the SM, everywhere about 200 peso, one slice cake. But Filipino going to this Isan restaurant, family, with family. Very popular, Isan restaurant. This is a barber shop. Yes, salon barber shop. Indian and Arabic restaurant, Red Sea. Red Sea restaurant empty now. Americano 70 peso only, cappuccino 130 peso, latte 150 peso. The price is okay, it's not expensive. How much dollar now? $55.80. They buy for 55, sell for 55.80. Oh, can use Union Pay, Chan is acceptable. It's good. I will try, someday I will try Union Pay or Chinese card. WeChat Pay, Alipay, okay? I will try next time. Galaxy Hotel, only cats sit. Only cats. As you can see, middle of the walking street, Red Street, it's already many people, but before empty. Half walking street is empty. This is Royal Amsterdam Hotel, is good. You see now discount, because this time discount is 20%. I remember Georgi always stay in this hotel. It's good, inside not noisy. So you can stay in the walking street, in Red Street, and not noisy. Also many girls go inside of a bar, Skyfall bar, like tourists, like visitors. Girls like visitors. Pig skin, this one is pig skin. Kokomas also not so big, not so many people inside. You see very few tourists right now. Friday, very few people, but many girls. It's a good time to visit Angeles City. Who want to find girls? No, who want to find girls for in the bar? In the bar, it's good time to visit Angeles City, because many girls and very few tourists now. I see most of the faces. They live here in Angeles City. Yeah, if girls stand outside the bar, it's mean inside the bar don't have visitors, don't have guests. That's why now is good time, maybe cheaper, maybe have discount, I don't know, because I not go to the bar. But if girls stand outside the bar, don't have inside people, or maybe 1-2 visitors only. How much dollar now here? 55.65. Okay. 55.65. 55.80. So very close. Different rates. This is 2 nightclub. They open only 10 p.m. 10 p.m. this area, many people. Many people waiting. In the France Café La Mulière also very few people right now. Newcomer Cafe. Don't have people. Inside very few, empty.